We're going to explain how to import a VRM file into VTube Studio. First, make sure you have a VRM file downloaded and ready to go. This is a 3D model file specifically designed for virtual avatars. Then open VTube Studio. 1. Once VTube Studio is open, look for the Import button. It's usually located in the top menu bar. The exact location may vary slightly depending on your VTube Studio version, but it's always easily accessible. 2. Clicking Import will open a file browser window. Navigate to the location where you saved your VRM file. 3. Select your VRM file and click Open. VTube Studio will then begin importing the model. This process might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your VRM model and the speed of your computer. 4. During the import process, you might see a progress bar indicating the stage of importing. Just wait until it finishes. There's nothing you need to do during the import. 5. After the import is complete, your VRM avatar should appear in the VTube Studio viewport. You'll likely see it in a T-pose, a neutral starting position. Now it's time to customize it. 6. You'll need to set up tracking. VTube Studio uses tracking to connect your real-world movements to your avatar. You'll need to select the tracking method you prefer. Usually webcam tracking is common. There are options for face tracking, body tracking, and even using various external programs for more precise tracking. 7. Check your avatar's settings. In the settings menu, you can adjust things like the avatar's position, size, and scale, and the way that the tracking affects the model. You can also adjust the lighting and camera angles. 8. Experiment. Once you've got your avatar imported and tracked, play around with different settings and poses. The best way to learn how to use your VRM model in VTube Studio is to simply try things out and see what works best for you. 9. If you encounter problems, check the VTube Studio documentation or online forums for troubleshooting tips. There are many helpful communities that can support you with any questions you might have. Remember, getting familiar with your new avatar and the VTube Studio program may take some time and patience. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first attempt. Just keep practicing.